Our final angle construction is the 30-degree angle. Now, first of all, as we've already drawn a 60-degree angle, you can just simply bisect that angle if you wish. So I will do that now. So again, make your compass a comfortable distance, put the compass on the end of the line segment there, draw two arcs, and then connect those two arcs there. And then connect this up, and that will be 30 degrees. Okay. That's one way of doing it, but the other way is much quicker. Again, as you did with the 60-degree angle, if you need to, please draw a line segment. Or if there's already one in the question, please use that one. Measure your compass to a comfortable radius, and as we did with the 60-degree angle, draw a large arc covering 60 degrees. Next, like we did before, put the compass point here and draw an arc here. Now that's how we do it for 60 degrees, we connect it there. But for 30 degrees, we're going to go a little bit further. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this arc much bigger, like this, so it will extend to the compass's radius. And then finally, put the compass point here. We connect this point here to our point on the line segment. And that gives us a 30-degree angle. And then of course you can go further, you can bisect this, you can have a 15-degree angle, you can add different angles to it or take them away, and then you can create any angle, hopefully, of some multiple of 15 degrees. Thank you very much.